Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to bend a rectangle in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Create a new layer, rectangle, color without stroke mode shape. Then draw a rectangle, select rectangle layer, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Then press Ctrl T, wrap and hold click draw on your mouse anywhere. Use customs, again press Ctrl T, arcs, RC lower and upper, flag, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.